Alright, step 8. Step 8 is where you hate me for life because we're going to introduce something called mountain and valley folds. These creases that we had from step 6 and 7 that we made ink marks on, we're going to fold those in on themselves twice. So we're going to unfold this wing. Got my ink pen in there, separating it, popping it out, if you will. Pop that out. On those step 6 creases, I'm going to push down and make a mountain fold. Again, I don't want the terminology to confuse you, but pay attention to the images here. I'm going to take my ink pen and mark the crease on that 7th one. And I'm going to fold that in on itself. It's going to be a valley fold when we're done. It's folded, pushed into it. Confusing step. Very necessary step. And again, we're not going to look any different than we did before. It's going to look exactly like it did at the beginning of the step. But it's important that we do this step so that it looks like our jet intakes look like the jet intakes. So there we go. We're going to unfold that. We're going to go back. And again, we need symmetry on both sides. There it is, mountain and valley fold. And you get a second shot at that when I do it to the right side here in a second. There's our ink marks. We're going to pop that wing out, unfold it just a little bit there. And there's nothing really to it, but just to practice it. You do it a few times, and you'll see what I mean. There's our 6th fold. Now I'm going to make an ink mark there on our crease of our 7th one. Mountain fold and then a valley fold on the 7th one. Push that into itself. Squeeze it together and make it match up with our left side. And we actually have some other folds here. We're going to put it back the way it was originally. Like I said, when we're finished, it's not going to look any different than it did before. We're just going to have those mountain and valley folds made so that our jet intakes look cool. That's the end of step 8. Hope you don't hate me too much. Just saying I have to do it a few times to get used to it.